welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Happy Navratre to everyone. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys how I did this look right over here. So as you guys know that festivals are coming, and I have been getting a lot of requests from you guys on Instagram as well as on YouTube to make a makeup tutorial on my channel. So here it is. If you like this look, please keep watching. So before applying the foundation, I'm going to start by priming my face with this aloe vera gel. I like using it especially on my T-zone and all over my face. Now for the foundation, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is in the 220 Natural Beach shade, and I'm going to mix it with this vitamin C serum. It is from XOXO. So I'm going to be using this foundation brush and blending the foundation with it all over my face properly. I need a very light coverage for this look, that is why I am using this foundation. Now I'm going to be using this liquid concealer, which is from Swiss Beauty, covering all the blemishes near my eye area and applying a little bit on top of the eyelids just to prime my eyes. And I'm going to be blending it with this beauty blender. For bronzing my face, I am going to be using this Ultra Blush palette, which is also from Swiss Beauty. Now what I love about this palette is it is highly pigmented and it has everything like bronzer, highlighter and blushes as well. Contouring my cheek area, jawline and forehead with this palette. Now I'm going to shape my eyebrows with this Blue Heavens Walk Free Eyebrow Definer, which is in the shade grey. If you want a video separately on how I do my eyebrows, let me know in the comment section. To avoid any creasing, I am using this Fit Me Loose powder, which is in the shade medium, focusing on the eye area where I have used the concealer and just running the brush over my forehead and cheeks. For this eye look, I have used two eyeshadow palettes in this video. Starting with the Color Studio palette, I am using this brown shade and blending it with the eyeshadow brush all over my crease. Okay, so for the outer lids, I am using this Maybelline palette and applying this black shade on the outer lids of my eyes just to give some smoky look. I'm just blending it properly with the eyeshadow brush. Okay, so before going further, I am using this lip balm to moisturize my lips, as I will be using the liquid lipstick. Okay, so moving on to the inner area of my eyelids, I'm using this light brown shade just a little bit to smoothen the black shade with it. Just to give a pop to my eyes, I'm using this gold shimmer on the inner area of my eyelids and dragging it till the black shade. Don't worry, this sparkle does not have to be clean. I'm going to smudge the outer portion of this. Okay, so now with the Maybelline palette again, I'm using the white sparkle shade and applying it on the crease of the eyebrows just to highlight my eyes. I'm not such a fan of kajal, but we are going with some traditional look today. So I am applying this kajal from me on the upper waterline as well as lower waterline. So I'm taking this brown shade again from Color Studio palette and applying it in the lower lash line with the flat brush. Now I'm giving a wing to my eyelids with this Lakme liquid eyeliner. Okay, so for the eyelashes, I'm using this Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. I will be back after using this Bronson Professional eyelashes. Coming back to the Ultra Blush palette, I'm using this light orange shade on the apples of my cheeks and on my nose too. It just brightens up my face. For highlighting my face, I'm taking the white shade and dabbing it with the beauty blender. Now just remember guys, whenever you are using the blender, whether it is for applying foundation or concealer or for the highlighter, always remember to dip it in the water first. At the end, I'm using this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade 11. And after this, I'm just giving a touch up with a black bindi and a pair of earrings.